DNR said you can't go. So I looked at the the emergency expedited rule, and I said, you guys lied. You lied on your rule. The Minnesota DNR, you're liars. How did they lie? The statute they quoted that said they had authority that they published at the state registrar's office, the statute they quoted said the DNR commissioner may control domestic animals that might be spreading disease. They may control domestic animals that might be spreading disease. And they took that verbiage and stuck it in an emergency rule and said, here you go. That's our statute. We published it at the state registrar's office, and now we have the authority. And I said, I looked up the statute, and the statute that you quoted, that's awesome. But you didn't quote the whole entire statute, which is fraudulent. What did the whole statute say? The whole statute said the DNR commissioner may control domestic animals that might be spreading disease that have been turned loose, set free, or running at large. There was a stipulation for them to control these animals. My animals in a trailer going to a sport show were not turned loose, were not set free, and were not running at large. This was the law that was passed eons ago, and the legislators said, if someone can't control their cows and they're running across this landscape, the DNR can control them. So the DNR lie, leave the last half out, publish the emergency rule, and say, Steve, you can't go, we're going to fine you. And I said, well, here's the deal. I'm going to go. I'm going to my show. What's the fine going to be? Well, it's a civil. It might be $250. So for me to say a $250 fine based on a lie that I can win in court, or a $12,000 weekend, I guess I'm taking my $12,000 weekend. I went 90 days in jail. He says, man, you sure enjoy life. I said, I enjoy truth. I enjoy justice. I enjoy doing what's right. So we hang up the phone, and 2 weeks later, my attorney calls me back and goes, Steve, they've dismissed everything. What is going on?